here's a nice little trick I like to do with when I don't feel like building in Blender. I'll often just make a drawing that is supposed to indicate the floors or the walls of an environment, or whatever your imagination will allow it to be. I'll make a few details, very scratchy, very loose. So I'll just add a window, and for this I want it to be a bit interesting. I think I'll hollow out this window, add a few bricks here, give it some texture, make it more interesting. And there I go. And now I'll just make something that, because I don't want the floor to be the same as the walls, so I'll just go ahead and make a small grid, a very sloppy grid. Oi. Very sloppy today. And then, yeah, I'll duplicate that obviously, and then I'll make this roof a weird pattern. Make it more interesting, give it some diversity. And there you go, your roof. So all four walls, and you can use your grid on the top view as your friend, and you just make a box using your 2D flats, your layers. Excuse me. And there you have it. You have a small building with a grid inside. You can manipulate your camera. I'm going to animate my camera, going from the outside to the inside through the windows. Makes it interesting. Anyway, I hope that helps, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Peace.